Hey guys, Jordan from nuCamp. Today we're going to be going over how to locate and change the filter for the air conditioner in the Tab 400.
The filter for the CoolCat air conditioner is located under the dinette on the driver's side. The hinged lid makes it easily accessible. To check the filter, simply slide it out. If it appears dusty or covered in debris, it may need cleaning or replacement. To clean or replace the filter, gently pull the foam filter and mesh plastic piece out of the grill. Use a damp cloth to carefully wipe down any dust or debris. Allow the filter to dry completely before reinserting it. Place the filter back into the grill, ensuring the mesh side faces the grill and the grill faces the sidewall. For optimal performance, check the filter at least once a year at the start of each camping season.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any other questions, feel free to email us at tech@nucamprv.com, and thank you for watching.